Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Moisturize my lips. Hydrate my lips. Alright, let's see if we can get through this video. My little HVAC system is, I don't know, it's doing something, so it's cold in my shed. We're gonna see if we can get through this video. So, came home to a package from Good Molecules, so we're gonna open it and see if we can incorporate it in my makeup look. Well, not that even it's a makeup look, because I'm going to work. So we're gonna open it together, see what's inside. Sunscreen for every skin tone. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Sunscreen for every skin tone. Let's read about it real quick. It's hard to find a mineral sunscreen with enough SPF protection that does not leave a white cast. I think that is why most people of melanin descent don't wear sunscreen unless like you're out at the beach or something like that. People usually don't mind wearing it, but for like those that wear makeup, I would definitely say that's why we don't partake, because it leaves that cast, especially if you have a darker skin tone. That's why we created Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30. The minimal white cast makes it work for every skin tone. The newest release is $12 for a 50 milliliter tube, which is this, which is a 1 ounce, 1.7 ounce, that's not bad, and made with 13.3% zinc oxide to protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. It also includes hydrating ingredients such as grapeseed oil, curcuma seed butter, and hyaluronic acid. We all love hyaluronic acid. You'll love how fast it absorbs and layers with your skincare or under makeup. I hope this non-greasy formula with minimal white cast becomes a daily essential. We all need SPF protection regardless of our skin tone. From co-founder. P.S. This is non-comedogenic sunscreen. Is safe for acne-prone skin. Awesome. So we're gonna be reviewing the Good Molecule Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. Awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my regular skincare routine and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've never used the sunscreen underneath my makeup, so I don't know where this placement is, like where exactly it should fall, like in the lineup of makeup. But I did my skincare already, so then now I'm gonna put the sunscreen on it and then I'll do my primer and then so on and so forth. So let's see how this product is going to work with my makeup. All right, I know this is always a concern for us melanin girls, so let's see. Okay, it says directions: apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm not on the beach or anything, but so this is how much I'm going to apply. And let's just see if it's going to leave a white cast. Okay, I don't see a white cast, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish my makeup and then I'll be back to talk to you guys about this product. Alright guys, so this is my makeup. Looks fine, like makeup doesn't seem to be affected at all. But is the word test is what we need to see how the outcome is going to be, But so far it looks good, it feels good. It did not leave a white cast on my skin at all. And it is SPF 30. And it's not that expensive. According to this card, $12. That is not bad at all. And again, it does have UVA and UVB protection for all skin tones. Period. So far, I like it. Again, we're going to do the word test throughout the day. A long day at work. And I'll come back and keep you guys updated. Okay? Awesome. All right, guys. So I wanted to come back and let you guys see that it's a couple days later. But I have worn it several times. It didn't produce any extra oil or anything like that. Looks good on the skin. As you guys saw, there was no white cast or anything like that. So this is something I would definitely keep into my beauty routine. It's an SPF of 30, and that's really, really good. Even though I haven't worn SPF continuously, you know, throughout the year, this is definitely something I would consider keeping into my regimen, you know, especially as I age. Those kind of things are important. So of course, it's just another step that I'm adding into my beauty routine, but you know, if it's going to help my skin in the end, let's do it. And I will also have a link to this product down below. Definitely check it out. You know, check out some other reviews, some other skin tones. I know that's what I do when I'm looking to get information about a particular product. I want to see how it looks on my skin tone. So I always seek and look for someone that's around my same color, which for me, right off the top, I can probably say Makeup Shayla. We're around the same color. So yeah, so definitely check that product out. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. And my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.